Guess what, guys? Mbira tutorial in high definition. Fantastic stuff. Anyway, getting to the point, I get a lot of email requests for tutorials on advanced tracks like Zvichapera, Ndangurangwe, and so on and so on. Now, a lot of people believe these tracks are played by 2, maybe 3 people, but in fact it's all just one player. So I promised a while ago that I will be posting tutorials to these, but because they're quite complicated, I'll start from the very basic and put them up as in part 1, part 2, part 3, so we can do many at the same time rather than we spend ages and ages and ages on one. Yeah, so we'll start with Zvichapera by kwenda. Goes something like this. Okay, so for the tutorial, let's move this so you can see it nice and clearly. For the tutorial, we start over here. Okay, shall we do that again? Okay, once more. Okay, once more just to be clear, we're not making any mistakes. And so on and so on and so on.